y'all, it's me, the Rockin' Glamour. Welcome or welcome back. And today I just did a little bit of eye magic, trying to attract old Santa Claus. So I decided to do a little bit of red, a little bit of pink. So if you want to learn how to get this look, please stay tuned. I did do a little bit of a tutorial, a true one. Stay tuned and I'll be back with you. So I did one eye already to save time. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go in and I am going to start with this color called Cranberry, because y'all know I do my makeup different than other people. So I'm going to take my big fluffy brush and I'm going to go and I'm going to dip into this cranberry right here. And no, I don't use a mirror. I use you all to see how I'm doing. I'll talk to you all. Shh. He gotta always talk in my videos. Go to the bathroom, do something. It's annoying. So I'm going to see. I took that cranberry color, made my wing, and like I said, I don't windshield wiper and all that. I just pat, because when you windshield wiper and you have older eyes, it's going to look creased and it's going to look horrible. So the next color I had gone on with is I am going to go in with, it's called Cherries, and it's right here. So this is just an easy breezy foreshadow look. And I'm going to take this right here, this cherry color. It's right here. So we're doing like Santa Claus coming to town and we want to match his outfit, girl. We want to match it. You're like, here I am, Santa Claus. So I'm just taking like more of a packer brush, since this is more of a glittery, you know, real soft shade. So I took that Cherries and I'm going to take it over. And then I'm actually going to go in, because I want it to be a little bit lighter. And I am going to go into, and what is your name? Spice. To lighten up the corner. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over. Just going to flip it over. Maybe I'll use a different brush. Let me use a different brush. Now I'm going to go into Apple. Apple seems to be lighter. We'll go into Apple. And that's that shade. That'll open our eyes up a little bit. We'll just pack that on. Blend that in a little bit. And remember, if you mess up one side, you gotta, whatever you do, go back and do the other side. So that's that. And then I eventually, at the end, I went in with this little shade called Squash, which is real light up here because I've already done my eyebrows. So I'm going to get another little fluffy brush. I'm going to take this Squash to like pink, because I want Santa Claus to come for me. Come for me, Santa Claus. I saw Mommy kissing Santa Claus. I'm taping that up a little bit so I'll look the same. And like I said, I don't use a mirror. A lot of people use a mirror. I don't. And I will be back with you. I'm going to put the rest of my face on. I'm not going to give you an eyelash tutorial. If you want that, I can do that entirely separate, because, you know, hey, why not? I'm trying to keep this real quick so y'all can do this on your own. And I'll be right back with you. This is my finished and final look. And I fooled y'all. I didn't put any lashes on. I want Natural Lash Girl today. Because I don't want Santa going home to Mr. Claus having an eyelash or something stuck on her. And then she come and whoop me. I don't need that. The Rockin' Glamour don't need that, because I need to be rocking and rolling, not getting beat up by Mr. Claus. She probably got talons out here or something. But this is my final look. And for me, it's a very calm down look. Y'all know I like all that glitter, all that glam. You know that's my jam. But this is how it came out. So, and what mascara I used was the Huda Beauty we had got in the box. And the rest of the stuff is just stuff I'm have laying around. And you know, everybody gets red lipstick in the box. So use any old red lipstick you want. You know, use your regular foundation. You know, use all your regular stuff you have. And, you know, make it up. It doesn't have to look exactly like mine. So, anyway, rockers, thank you for joining me today on Vlogmas Day 6. Can you believe it's Day 6 already? And I will see y'all tomorrow. Please hit that like, that subscribe, that share. You know, ring the bell so you're always notified of my foolishness. You never know when I might look half normal like today. You know, not all glitz and glammed up to the sky. So, I will see you tomorrow, rockers. Keep on rocking and peace out.